The Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, is sounding an alarm this evening about what he has described as a major mismanagement of taxpayers' money at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation before he took office. From persons being on the KSAMC payroll who have never shown up for work to people allegedly being paid by the corporation to operate facilities that were never opened. Kalisha Williams has that story.
Speaking at the monthly meeting of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation in Kingston today, Mr. Swaby says he has been on a mission to ensure better use of the public funds since he became mayor last year. However,
there are persons on the payroll of the KSAMC who have never showed up to work but received full salaries. In the Raytown division in central Kingston, 2 persons were being paid to manage the sanitary conveniences that were never open. These contracts were not renewed. In doing so, we ensure taxpayer money were being spent wisely.
He also pointed to several so-called administrative issues at the St. William Grant Park in downtown Kingston.
We inherited a workforce of over 30 people, but some were signing in and working elsewhere. We have downsized the team to 9 dedicated workers. This improved efficiency, reduced costs, ensure better use of public funds. Today, the park is in a much better condition, maintained by 9 persons compared to when it's managed by over 30.
It must also be noted that over the past few weeks, the current administration at the KSAMC was also criticized by the Jamaica Labour Party for how it has been managing public funds. In the meantime, former Mayor of Kingston, Delroy Williams, described the comments as a distraction.
When we took office, I think the structure that we inherited was a structure established by former Mayor Angela Brown-Burke. And he was the deputy mayor at the time. And that structure, when we went there, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke had over 30 persons working at the St. William Grant Park while she was mayor. He was the deputy mayor.
Mr. Williams further stated that during his time, all persons paid by the KSAMC showed up for work.
Over the time I've been there, I have never ever received a report that the persons were turning up at work. I mean, persons were assigned duties and persons were scheduled. The issue of sanitation officers is another issue I'm not aware of. When we completed the revetment project along the waterfront, there is a sanitary convenience there. So we were taking steps to employ persons to work there.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.